So now I'm going out on a walk, a nature walk. A walk into the nature. Ooh, this is gonna be so fun. Ooh, nature walk, nature walk, nature walk, nature walk, nature walk, nature walk, nature walk. Did I mention this and walk about nature? This is gonna be just look at this nature. Well, this isn't quite the nature, but we see mountains. We see pretty much a lot of stuff, and this is a lot of nature. Look at this awesome waterfall. Isn't it awesome? It's very good. It's the waterfall I can see this from my room as well. But it's so big in person. It's so amazing. Yeah, look at all these big trees. Trees. So
I love the big tree.
I do. So the church. This is gonna be a big, fun nature walk, isn't it?
Yeah. What time is it? About 9:25.
Pretty good timing.
Now, do you want to walk? Just walk from here? How do you feeling? Or do you want to take the shuttle to a walk?
We can wait. Well, why don't you take the shuttle?
Okay, right. I mean, this stop is better. What direction we want?
Woo!
Arsenio Beats.
Here we are. Here, look at all these places we can possibly go. Those are falls.
So this dotted line means trails. Okay, we did this. And so this is a really nice walk right here.
Here's the bus. Why don't we stay over here?
Our next stop will be the visitor center.
Wherever you want to go, you gotta get it. You ain't got no choice.
Good. Let's go then.
Next stop, freedom.
This is fun.
That's some waterfall, isn't it? Doesn't get much better. It's about as gracious and green as it's gonna be. Not too early anymore, so I guess it's a good time for a jump, right? Drinks, and we'll show off to my friends. Still nothing. He gets worried. He goes over to the centipede house, knocks on the little road. Centipede, don't you want to go out? Centipede sticks his head out. Yeah, sure, I want to go out. Just hold on, I'm putting my shoes on. Someone going to the Awani Hotel? No?
river. Man, I love rain. Man, I love the rain and the snow season.
There you will find
Pretty sturdy.
in a small general store. If you
These guys, well, they could be worse.
street only to the rear of the bus and use the crosswalks. Our next stop is Curry Village.
I'm not sure if I don't want to go to a village right now. I want to go to an actual hiking trail.
Now approaching Curry Village front desk, tour and activity desk, and paths leading you to the post office, Curry Pavilion, coffee ice cream corner, and pizza desk.
Our happy aisle. Happy aisle. Happy aisle. Aisle. It's an aisle that's happy. It's an aisle that's happy. Happy village, happy village, happy village. Happy village, happy water. Happy river, happy river, happy river. Happy.
I've never seen it this size.
This is amazing! Happy trail! It's the Misty Trail, Misty.
Be careful.
Whoops. Misty.
Tree fell down.
Yep. Misty Trail, Misty Trail. Ooh, a river. Misty. Happy. Okay.
Where that goes?
I have no idea.
Somewhere.
Guess it's just there.
Yeah, could be. I've got my big fancy topographic map. But we need it. We just...
Look at bulldozer.
Oh, look. Whoa. Split. Look.
Yeah. So, anyways, we're on.
Save your footage for when you get up here. There's gonna be, we may go as far as Vernal to be able to see Vernal Falls. First comes Vernal Falls. You can see that. I don't think we'll go further than that.
That's just gotta be so sweet. Let's keep going. Go. Look at all the stuff we can see from here. Ah, yes. So sweet. I believe we're going to go here. Well, anyways, let's keep going. This is tiring. I'm so tired. Well, let's see about the weather. I'm tired now. That tree is finally going down, and it looks like we're gonna be going up soon. Waterfall. I hope this is amazing. So, yeah, this is what we came here for. As well as many other stuff, but look how high we are. Still coming close to our destination. Yes, I do want water. Well, here's what we came here for. Vernal Falls Bridge. Let's go check it out. The pretty falls bridge that is Vernal. The Vernal Falls Bridge, Vernal Falls. The waterfall is pretty. My gosh, so we're whoa!
And from the other end, you can see the falls.
Yes. Look, and on the other end, look at.
Wow. Let's see if we can see the falls down here.
Wow. Oh, and there the falls themselves. Cool, isn't it? And look, here comes the bus.
Okay, let's go. Oh, they're coming out.
If they don't get off, I can't get you on. We're full. Not getting off now.
Wow, on the round trip back home. It's our hotel. I think it's our hotel from home.
Stop number 8, Yosemite Lodge.
Well, here we are at the bus.
Follow directions, okay.
Woo! Should go across. Let's go into our cruise. Help. That was fun. Now I'm back outside. Gonna go to the visitor center and walk there. And the sun is nice and sunny out.
So can we go over and take the shuttle to the visitor center? And then take a walk from there? Will you agree on that?
Yes, I would. Sitting around. So we are. So we're not the visitor center and the theater. This is so cool. saw this movie. It was really great. And now we're going out on a walk. You see here? That's Half Dome.
Oh.
It's pretty. Good to take a pretty walk. Good to take a pretty walk. Oh no, it's a car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You couldn't tell if it was the kind of car that was going to stop for us or not.
Yeah. So here it is. Here we're gonna walking in the woods. Look at all these water puddles. A natural part of nature. And we're about to go across the bridge.
Go ahead.
Lake. The lake. The lake. Here we go. To the lake. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Really? So, that's pretty sweet. They really love nature preserving, don't they? Keep walking. Keep walking. So cute. I see it's blossoming right now. So,
look at the
so cool. I mean, isn't this awesome? Who would think that's awesome? I don't know why some people don't like this place because I think it's awesome.
The hotel in the Sandy Valley. The hotel was originally owned by George Wright and Walter J.G. Cook saved money. They retained the original sign who took over the hotel's operation. They used this meadow to graze livestock. And the meadow still bears his name. Hence, Cook's Meadow. One guest at Cook's Hotel described from the foundations being so barn-like that I half expected to see the cows come home every morning. It's hard to imagine cows in the Sandy Valley, but in the late 1800s, horses and mules transported tourists to the valley, while cattle and sheep supplied hotels with meat, milk and meat. Early pioneers planted crops in this meadow. They also allowed their livestock to graze here. These practices compacted the soil and damaged meadow plants. After grazing was eliminated in the Yosemite Valley in the late 1920s, the native vegetation returned. Across the spring day, you may see deer, foraging,
Or coyote pouncing on my own mice. So let's finish this walk. Ah, yes. It's pretty fun, isn't it?
It looks to me what happens at the end, right here.
As it goes in.
Go over the bridge and then go up that way and go across the other way. So do you want to just retrace it then? The bridge from here?
Let's just turn around, okay?
Yeah.
Here's another big bridge. Winter floods are large. Just can't believe that was Yosemite Valley.
Wow.
So, diving or jumping from bridge prohibited. Who in the world would do such a dumb thing? Wow! Wow! 1997, it went this up this high. 1955, 1950, 1964, 1937. Wow!
So there's been 5 dramatic winter floods inundated this area in the 20th century.
Wow! Big, big, big. Dimensions, big. And over there is the church. Over there, I think it's a temple. Over there is the temple. You see over there. Yeah. Yeah, that is a lot of stuff to see around this area. Have you ever been to the lodge before?
The lodge?
You know, there's
Yes. But
not before today.
I've been to upstate there once before. It wasn't as nice as this place. Quite a while ago.
I can see that. Now. So, it's your time. About to go there. I'm going to Curry Village. I'm on the bus, so I'm gonna go check this place out. The patio. Man, that place looks so good. It's so wet out here. Pizza? The camera's getting
I'm going to ask him if we buy it. It was in 2 minutes.
Yum.
And I had the 55.
That, yum. That's some good pizza. Yeah, I can't wait to I can't believe I ate that whole pizza. It's really I'm really excited about going into the bus because it's really pretty out. But like, oh, it stopped. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. It's just gorgeous. We've got to get out of this fairyland somehow. We can't stay in here forever. We were only here for like 2 nights, 3 days. Bus stop, Valley Shuttle, Curry Village parking, number 20. So I'm just gonna wait here until 6:15. Bus is coming, yay! So the bus is coming, the bus is coming, the bus is coming, the bus is coming. Woo! Yeah. Imagine the bus is coming. Because it really is.
Ready?
Valley Visitors again. room. So it's right coming up into the hotel room.